Wondrous afternoon to everyone. I am pleased to introduce to you the painstaking mentors of Batch 2011 with our honored guests this afternoon. Teachers can have a great impact on the social, personal, and intellectual development of individuals. Their influence stems from the love of learning, a talent of awakening students to new modes of thinking, an understanding of the human development process, and a professional skill. If inquiring minds need to know, becoming a teacher of this area will not only allow one to continuously explore the many realms of science, but to also share that journey with young inquisitive mind. The teachers who invaded the theory of relativity of their area of specialization is concerned only with the enumeration and comparison of relations. But because their area is considered the door and key to the sciences. Ladies and gentlemen, the sharp-minded and efficient teachers from the mathematics department with the considerate department head, Dr. Juanita D. Antonio, Head Teacher 3. The teachers whom we say, the sparring partner of the teachers in English, for they also strengthen the students' reading comprehension, grammar, and writing skills. Further, they provide teens with the skills necessary to appreciate and critique literature, to enable them to pursue their chosen career path, and to help the students become more familiar with the wide range of tasks and skills to ensure their rightful place in society. Department Head, Mrs. Gloria Galibot, Head Teacher 1. The teachers who give much attention to a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, we mean health. They firmly believe that without music, life would be a mistake. Above all, when reading periodicals, I presume, they always turn to the sports pages first, which records people's accomplishments, rather the front page, which most of the time has nothing but man's failures. Arts, physical education, and health department, headed by the very active department head, Mr. Gilberto Kilbio Jr., Head Teacher 1. This time, ladies and gentlemen, we are grateful that this milestone event in our students' lives is being graced by our respected leaders coming from the various secondary schools in the city of Valenzuela. They are the ones who do not know but passion on the biggest dreams and priorities, but more so on the smallest ones for the sake of every learner. Friends, to start with, even-handed principal of Caruhatan National High School, Dr. Janendina M. Sombilio. The persistent principal of Valenzuela City High School, Mr. Arniel D. Aro. The nurturing principal of Parada National High School, Mrs. Lagrimas B. Baile. The strategic principal of Vicente Trinidad National High School, none other than Mr. Gilmore R. Caballero. The determined principal of Canumay East National High School, Ms. Marciana Daet. The esteemed principal of Agcocato National High School, Mrs. Mirna Abulto. Our dynamic, very active and amiable division supervisor in MAPE, none other than Mrs. Victoria D. Altovero. Our energetic barangay councilor, Mr. Alejandro Dumigpi. The competent barangay captain of Canumay, Mr. Reynaldo Trinidad. The consistent principal of Lawang Bato National High School, Mr. Cesar C. Villarreal. The